Wait, what?
Oh, God, give you it.
No, you're drinking it yourself. You're drinking the drink. It's time for school. Oh no! Hide!
Ah, no.
We don't want to go to school. My head is in the crib. I don't want to go to school. The game. Then just kill yourself.
I'm just sleeping, Agent. I'm gonna pretend I'm dead. Agent, I'm dead.
No, I'm backflip. I just died. How to die and adopt me. Become a baby, come to Wally Crib, put activities, do a backflip, and just die. Oh no. Oh, he spotted us. Run. Hey guys, it's Guy Agent Cam here. Welcome back to the video. So today I'm playing Adopt Me with Animal, Loks, and Nico. And as you can see, I'm a baby. Same for Loks, yeah?
Agent, I flicked our
Look,
dad.
this is the baby's room.
Agent, I flicked our dad.
You did?
Yeah. I was like, yeah, and he hit the back, like, oh.
Oh no, he took me out. He took me outside. I tried to ride him, but then he went outside.
she's bad.
But I'm gonna try.
She's bad.
Oh shoot, I think it's dark.
She's mad.
Wait, how do you, oh, she put hashtags. That's how.
No! No! I'm not
No! No bedtime! No, anything but bedtime!
I'm hiding.
You're thirsty, not hiding. You're thirsty. Oh shit! Oh shish kebabs! No, I'm sitting. No, I'm sitting. Oh god! Animal was flying. It's a flying animal.
Come on, wait, where's our mom? Mommy!
Oh, I'm actually sleeping.
Mommy, I have a nightmare. Oh, no, oh,
She is your... Look, can I tell you something? She is your nightmare.
Get off of me! She's chasing us!
No! This is just... Imagine you just look into your dog's pet house and you just see your baby chillaxing in there. Let me troll her. Z. No, I was sleeping in there.
Oh no, I teleported to a house. To a house.
Z.
No! I want to teleport to you.
Don't teleport. I'm literally in the middle of hiding. Right here in this little cubby.
Okay, now tell me to go. Mom! Mommy,
Oh shoot, I hit the camera.
Mommy, no!
I am a spy.
No pets.
Oh god! No!
Where's Daddy?
That's it. I'm leaving the house.
Oh, Megan!
I'm just going to FNAF. I'm just going to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Goodbye. That's it. I'm going to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Why was that?
You can tell I've been there because I've stolen their spicy pizzas before. Guys, I'll see you at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, right? I'll meet you there at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
I'm doing something inappropriate too.
Oh, shush! I'm literally in Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I'm not sure if this looks good because, hold on. Let me just pull out a flashlight. So yeah, guys, this is Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Look at that! They have donuts that are apparently on the wall somehow.
And also, guys, you're gonna see a magic trick.
So yeah, so we're here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. You scared me, you big potato!
Okay, I'm gonna make.
My
Okay,
God,
okay?
you're gonna make French fries?
Yeah.
Are you, dude? There's no fridge or grills. Oh, you're making pizza. That's lovely.
I'm making pizza for you.
Aw.
Here you go.
Thank you. You can actually give it
Give item. I can give item.
from hand.
Oh, okay. Yes, duh.
I'm hungry.
Wait, it didn't let me give it to
No,
you.
it doesn't. It doesn't after a little bit. Hold on. Just give it a while. There we go. It even says who gave you what.
I'm gonna need you.
Look at this. We have some nice Freddy Fazbear's pizza. Ooh, it's the classic. No chili.
I'm eating it. I'm gonna give it to you.
Here we go. All right. So.
There you go.
Oh, thanks for the donut.
There you go.
Yummy. Yummy.
I'm gonna use it now. Dude, I wanna make myself a donut. Let's go.
Here. I'm just gonna.
I just murdered the donut.
Oh, we need some sleep. Our parents are probably gonna come. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's short. If you did, smash that like below, subscribe, hit that bell to get notified whenever one of my random uploads come. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Subscribe to get me pizza.
Goodbye.